Good morning everyone. It's standard. Let's continue our second chapter, health and diseases. I think I have given you homework of this writing table in your notebook. How many of you done? Only few students send me that tables. Hope other will do that all earlier and send to me. I have been watching your homeworks and all and send remarks to you also. Okay, please send your homework, current homework on my WhatsApp number. Now we are doing continuous this chapter which name is health and diseases. What is health? Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of any diseases. हम हमारे शरीर में कोई डिसीज नहीं है, इट्स एब्सेंस ऑफ डिसीज, इट डज नॉट मीन दैट you are healthy. For your the definition of healthy is that we get to know about this definition is that if your mentally, physically and social well-being is there in between you, then only we call it healthy person. Means if you are healthy physically, it's good, but you have to become healthy towards our society also. ओके आप हेल्दी हो, अच्छी बात है, अच्छा खाओ पियो, एक्सरसाइज करो, मेंटली साउंड रहो, एज वेल एज सोशली भी आपको साउंड रहना है. वी स्टडी अबाउट द वेरियस इन्फेक्शियस डिसीजेस इन दिस टेबल, जस्ट लाइक tuberculosis, hepatitis, dysentery, cholera and typhoid. Okay, here some pathogens is also given, means the viruses, bacteria through which this disease is caused to us. Then mode of infection is given as well as symptoms and prevention and treatment of this particular diseases. Now some diseases are given here, similar like this table. Please do at your home. This is one kind of homework to you. Prepare similar table of information about various diseases like enteritis, malaria, plague and AIDS. Okay, you all know about it. If you don't know, then collect the information about this and write down its name of disease, pathogens, mode of infection, symptoms and prevention and treatment. This is one kind of homework to you. Now we'll do continue this chapter with the figure number 2.3, dirtiness in the surrounding. In this figure, if you see, the flies is flying over tire to that dustbin to that utensils, dirty utensils, again the water lodge pot and all. Means what? If the bacteria is present in that, surrounding, it's a we, due to this flies, it's carry with the help of flies to one to another thing. And if such kind of flies is do enter our home and sit down on your food, then what would happen? That dirty viruses, bacteria, it's enter to your food and you may cause various diseases. Okay, so you have to be very curious about your hygiene, as well as very much alert about your hygiene, your personal hygiene as well as social hygiene. If you keep your home very clean, it's good. Personally, if you keep yourself clean, it's very good. But if you clean your house just like that, you have to clean our surrounding. If you clean your house and take all dirtiness and you throw the garbage outside, then what would happen? If you clean your home, means you have to clean surrounding. Okay, if you clean surrounding, means what? The flies which are responsible for diseases may not be come to your home and not enter in home. That means what? It's a clean outside and clean inside also. Okay, in the both state only you are going to prevent such kind of diseases. Now here we do continue some important diseases of a present days. प्रेजेंट डेज में जो इम्पोर्टेंट डिसीजेस है वो हम यहाँ पे अभी देखने वाले हैं. हाउ कैन वी ऑब्जर्व पर्सनल हाइजीन? पर्सनली हाउ वी कीप अवर हाइजीन? Yes, in the morning we wake up early in the morning, we took bath, as well as we brush our teeth, right? Then cut our nails if they are long. Okay, and this is the personal hygiene. Then why should we drink boiled water in a rainy season? Rainy season is in this rainy season, that water may be contaminated with a dirty thing. That's why we need to boil. After boiling water, this bacteria, these viruses may get died, and that's why this water is become safe to drink. That's why we need to boil this water in rainy season. Why the clean hands drive is run in school? में होता है ना क्लीन, क्योंकि गंदे हाथों से ही कीटाणु बैक्टीरिया फैलते हैं, जिसकी वजह से ही बीमारी फैलते. नाउ इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नाउ डेज ड्यू टू कोरोना वी आर ऑलरेडी सीन दैट we are already using sanitizer. We already clean our hands regularly, wash your hands for 20 seconds and all. And this advertisement is regularly coming on TV also, right? You have to do this to avoid diseases. This is also become a cause of disease to you. That's why prevention is better than cure. Now we'll learn about the disease which is one is given here, dengue. Mosquitoes lay the eggs in the water-lodged places, and thereby their population increases. The mosquitoes, where they give eggs, where the water is collected, water is lodged, water is stored for too many days. In that condition only, these mosquitoes lays their eggs, and their population is increased. And when these mosquitoes bite you, that time only it's entered your body, and this dengue takes place. Disease caused to you. Different species of mosquitoes spread different diseases. Dengue is spread by Aedes aegypti. ये एक नाम है मॉस्किटो का, जिससे आपको डेंगू होता है. This disease is caused by Den 1-2 virus belonging to the type of Flavivirus. ये आपको होता है Den 1-2 वायरस से, और जिसका टाइप है फ्लैविवायरस. सिम्टम acute fever, headache and vomiting. In this dengue you got acute fever which is never become less, it's increasing by increasing, and headache is also there. And with the help with the both acute fever and headache, you may get the symptoms like vomiting also. Pain in eyes sockets is very prominent symptoms. आइज पेन करते हैं, ये बहुत ही बड़ा इसका सिम्टम्स है. डिक्रीजेस इन प्लेटलेट्स काउंट दैट मे लीड टू अ इंटरनल हेमरेज. सी इन दिस डेंगू योर प्लेटलेट काउंट इज become less, which is very dangerous. It's become a very serious condition is occurred when this platelet count is become down and down. That's why it's very important that we consult doctor as early as possible in this state of dengue. Here some picture is given in this. Understand the explanation to others. यहाँ पे स्टोर किया हुआ पानी दिख रहा है ये फिगर में. कहाँ पे? ये टायर में है. टायर में फिर मॉस्किटोज ने अंडे दे दिए, फिर वो लार्वा बन गया है, और लार्वा से फिर से मॉस्किटोज बन गया. दैट्स व्हाई यू मस्ट बी टेक प्रिवेंशन of such kind of things, and prevention is better than cure. Observe and discuss. Observe the picture shown in following. Write description in box. यहाँ पे दिया है. डेंगू रीजन्स एंड प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स यहाँ पे दिए गए. ये बॉक्स है, आपको ये बॉक्स फिलअप करना है और इसका पिक्चर निकाल के मुझे भेजना है. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. विच मेजर्स आर टेकन फॉर मॉस्किटो कंट्रोल बाय ग्राम पंचायत, म्यूनिसिपल काउंसिल, municipality of your area? See, in our area, Nagar Sevak is doing good work in this dengue and malaria. So many Gram Panchayat Nagar Palika workers come to spread the spray, that one kind of medicine in all area. That's why we prevent the growth of this mosquito. Malaria caused due to the female Anopheles, while the elephantiasis is due to the female Culex. ये एलिफेंटासिस जो है ये भी मॉस्किटो से होता है, मलेरिया भी मॉस्किटो से होता है, लेकिन मलेरिया एनोफिलस से होता है और ये एलिफेंटाइटिस क्यूलिक्स से होता है. Anopheles and adults grow in a clean water while the culeus in a dirty sewage water. तो ये एनाफिलस ये क्लीन वाटर में ग्रो करता है, तो क्यूलेक्स डर्टी सीवेज वाटर में. तो किसी भी सूरत में हमको कोई भी पानी घर में जमा करके नहीं रखना है. डेंगू रीजन एंड प्रिवेंशन मेजर्स, ये आपको तो फिगर मैंने बोला है, कंप्लीट करने के लिए आप करेंगे. स्वाइन फ्लू, रीजन ऑफ इन्फेक्शन. इन्फेक्शन फॉर स्वाइन फ्लू ऑकर्स थ्रू द पिग्स एंड ह्यूमन. स्वाइन फ्लू कैसे होता है? पहले तो पिग से ह्यूमन और ह्यूमन से ह्यूमन को ये होता है. इट इज ऑल्सो infectious disease that is very much increases day by day. Swine flu infection for swine flu occurs pigs and human. Viruses of swine flu are spread through sweat of infection person. Similarly, it is spread through the secretion of nose, throat and saliva. Nowadays the corona is spreading all over like this method only. This is the mode of infection of corona also. That's why we need to take the measures whatever is given by our government to you. You must keep your personal hygiene as well as social hygiene with the help of social distance. Symptoms of swine flu: difficulty in breathing, sore throat and body pains. This is like our corona. In corona also difficulty in breathing as well as sore throat and body pains. In the beginning, body pain is there in corona. You have to do attention as early as possible if you have such kind of symptoms in your body. Diagnosis of swine flu. For diagnosis of swine flu, the liquids from throat of patient is sent in laboratory. तो ये कोरोना भी ऐसे ही करते हैं, स्वैब टेस्ट होता है ना कोरोना में, वो भी ऐसा ही है. डायग्नोस्टिक फैसिलिटीज आर अवेलेबल इन नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ वायरोलॉजी NIV in Pune and National Institute of Communicable Diseases NICD in Delhi. ये दो ही संस्था है जहाँ पे ये टेस्टिंग होती है. लेकिन nowadays due to this corona there are 77 labs established all over the Maharashtra. Okay, it's because this corona is spreading all over the Maharashtra. Very earlier stage you have to never identify what is the growth rate, but nowadays it's so growing very fast in all over the Maharashtra. That's why there is the need of this kind of laboratories, and our government established these 77 laboratories in all over the Maharashtra. First case of swine flu was reported in Mexico in 2009. 2009 में ये स्वाइन फ्लू का पैंडेमिक एपिडेमिक आया था. इतना बड़ा नहीं था लेकिन आया था. आज कोरोना जैसा नहीं था लेकिन ये भी तो एक तरह का एपिडेमिक था. स्वाइन फ्लू इज कॉज्ड बाय द वायरस इन्फ्लुएंजा AH1N1. द पर्सन हु कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट विथ पिग्स कैन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिस डिसीजेस. जो पर्सन पिग्स के कॉन्टैक्ट में ज्यादा आता है उससे उस पर्सन को ये हो सकता है. AIDS, 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 acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is a very dangerous disease, and mode of infection is also given here. This disease is caused by HIV, means human immunodeficiency virus. ये इससे cause होता है. In the diseases, victims suffer from various diseases due to progressive weakening and natural immunity. जिसे भी होता है एड्स, उससे तो एड्स लास्ट में वो होता है, लेकिन उसके पहले HIV पॉजिटिव बनता है पर्सन और उसमें उसकी इम्यूनिटी खत्म हो जाती है और छोटे मोटे बीमारी है उससे पकड़ लेती है. जैसे कैंसर भी होता है और बहुत सारी बीमारियां छोटी मोटी उससे लगे रहती है. डायग्नोसिस ऑफ एड्स कैन नॉट बी कन्फर्म विदाउट टेस्ट इन मेडिकल लेबोरेटरीज. मेडिकल लेबोरेटरी में टेस्ट करेंगे तभी हमको पता चलेगा HIV है या नहीं है. ELISA is the test used for the proper diagnosis. ELISA टेस्ट है जो हर एक गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में होती है जहां आप टेस्ट कर सकते हो. ये टेस्ट से आपको प्रॉपर डायग्नोस होता है कि एड्स है या नहीं. सिम्टम्स ऑफ एड्स आर द पर्सन स्पेसिफिक. इसके स्पेसिफिक सिम्टम्स है. पहले विंडो स्टेज होता है, पहले 3 मंथ तक विंडो स्टेज होता है. उसके बाद ही आपको पता चलता है कि ये आप पॉजिटिव हो या नहीं हो. AIDS does not occur due to the touching to and sharing of food with HIV infected person. HIV इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन को हाथ लगाने से, उसके साथ फूड शेयर करने से HIV नहीं होता है। और बाय नर्सिंग HIV पेशेंट, और HIV पेशेंट की शुश्रूषा करने से भी आपको HIV नहीं होता। आवर बिहेवियर विथ HIV इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन मस्ट बी नॉर्मल। हमको उनके साथ बिहेवियर अच्छा ही रखना चाहिए। बट व्हाट हैपन ड्यू टू फियर वी आर अनेबल टू गिव अटेंशन टू देम। हमारे समाज में HIV के बारे में बहुत सारी गलत मान्यताएं फैली हुई है कि टच करने से होता है, बात करने से होता है, जो कि गलत है। उनको हमारे प्यार और अटेंशन की ज़रूरत है, हमें उनको देना चाहिए, बिकॉज दो आर द पार्ट ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी। Then also then only we call our society is healthy society, okay, as per the definition of health. HIV was the first reported in African species of monkeys. ये पहले कहा हुआ था, monkeys में हुआ था, African species of monkeys, according to the National AIDS Control Program, and it's 80 to 85 HIV infections in India occur through the unsafe sexual contact. ये बहुत ही बड़ा होने unsafe sexual contact is the major cause of this HIV. That's why we have the people must avoid this unsafe sexual contacts. Infection through the animals. Which animals measures are taken at your home to control this rat? Why it is necessary to care about health and domestic dog, cats and bird? Is there any relation between the pigeons, stray animals and human health? What are the effects of rats, cockroaches on the human health? See, this 4 question is homework to you. Write down the answer of these 4 questions by searching on Google or maybe by your own. Listen, here now we are going to continue our infection of various diseases through animals, or through rat, through birds, through cockroaches. So many diseases are there. Due to cockroaches, rat diarrhea is there, and so many other kinds of diseases are also there. Rabies. This is a viral disease. It's occurred due to the bite of the infectious dog, rabbit, monkey, and cat. See, this leads to their bite of these all animals lead to rabies in your body. Virus enter in brain via neurons. Hydrophobia is one of the important symptoms of this disease. In this case, the victim shows extreme fear for water. Rabies is a fatal disease. इस डिसीज में वो जो व्यक्ति है उसे पानी का बहुत डर लगता है, मीन्स क्या होता है, हाइड्रोफोबिया होता है, और इसमें मौत भी हो सकती है. इट्स rabies is a fatal disease. However, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination. और ये मरने की जो बात है ये टाली जा सकती है अगर हम वैक्सीनेशन करें, टाइम पे इसका वैक्सीनेशन करें बिफोर one set of symptoms. Symptoms start to appear within the 90 to 175 days of dog bite. आपके symptoms कब आपको स्टार्ट होते हैं? डॉग बाइट होने के बाद 90 to 75 days of dog bite आपको ये symptoms होते हैं. फीवर फॉर 2 to 12 weeks. इसमें क्या होता है? symptoms of rabies क्या है? फीवर फॉर 2 to 12 weeks. और exaggeration in behavior आपका exaggerate हो जाता है. And then hydrophobia. These are the symptoms only. You have to check these symptoms. If you gone through or you touched through the dog's saliva and all. Listen, this is if you have cut wound and that time only saliva is fall on your wound, it's maybe cause to rabies. It's maybe leads to rabies. तो आपको ये चेक करना है हमेशा. ये जो आप कैट या डॉग के साथ खेलते हो तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि उनको वैक्सीनेशन दिया गया है या नहीं. अगर उनको वैक्सीन नहीं दिया गया तो आपको उनके साथ खेलना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि उनका नाखून भी लग गया, उनके सलावा आपके शरीर में किसी भी तरह से प्रवेश कर गया तो आपको रेबीज हो सकता है. यू मस्ट बी अलर्ट while playing with dogs, cats or other domestic animals. It's lead to rabies to you. Rabies के ये symptoms है, ये आपको हमेशा याद रखना है. फीवर फॉर 2 to 12 weeks. exaggeration in behavior, and hydrophobia. Internet, my friend. Watch the videos about rabies on internet. Collect the information about various preventive measures on rabies. Make it list and discuss with your friends. ये आप कर सकते हैं. प्रोजेक्ट के तहत ये आप कर सकते हो. इंफॉर्मेशन रेबीज के लिए इकट्ठा करो. दिस इज वन काइंड ऑफ homework to you, that write down short note on rabies by collecting information on internet, and above 4 question is also your homework. Do that, write down, and please send me on my WhatsApp number. Till then, goodbye.